Hello everybody, it's nice to see you again. Now our first thing in our singing assembly today is a job that I need you to do for me. You're going to help me paint Mr. Kinman's imaginary shed. Here it is. It's very boring at the moment, only one colour. So get your imaginary paint pot and pop off the lid. And get your imaginary paintbrush, dip it in the paint, give it a good stir. You decide what colour it is, but I think our shed should be nice bright colours. Okay, now your paintbrush is ready. When the music starts, I want you to be ready to paint the shed along with me. Let's start off going side to side. Let's go. Do some spots to the side. Spots down low. Let's do some splats. Splat, 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 splat. Now some fast ones. Splat, 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 splat up high. Splat, 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 splat. Now we need to get up to the roof. Dab some little corners that we've missed. Tap, tap, tap. Up to the roof again. Dab some corners. Tap, tap, tap. Let's try some zigzags. Ready? Zigzag. Ready to go to the roof again? Dab some bits we missed. Dab, 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 up to the roof. Okay, now get the rest of the paint. Get ready, we're going to throw it onto the shed. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, maybe that was a bit too much paint at the end. But at least my shed looks colourful now. Thanks everybody. Okay everybody, it's time for us to warm up our voices. Do you remember how we go shopping to do that? Hold on to your shopping trolley. Oh no, we've got the trolley with the broken wheel again. So when we push it, it goes... Okay, I think today we're going to get some pizza. We're going to get some pasta. We're going to get some chocolate cake. And we're going to get some ice cream. Off we go. Let's get our money out of our pocket. Say, here you go. Thanks very much. And push the trolley out of the shop. Pick up our heavy shopping. Today, we've come in the car, so we're going to put it in the car boot. And shut the boot. And get in the car and shut the door. And start the car. Car didn't start. Okay, let's try it again. Oh no, it's still not starting. Let's try it one more time. Oh no, the car won't start. Okay, everybody, time to put on your backpack then. Put all the shopping in your backpack. And time to get on our bicycle. Ready? Off we go cycling home. And we've got home. Take our shopping out of our bag. Walk in the house. Shopping down. Have a drink. Okay, everybody, I want to go back to a rhyme we learnt last week called Andy Pandy. Put your hands on your knees, see if you can remember it. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop up. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop down. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop in. Andy Pandy, sugary candy, all pop out. Well done if you remembered it. And then we start taking away some words. So I'm going to take away the word Andy. Remember, that's the first word, so we don't say anything. Ready, and off we go. Pandy, sugary candy, all pop up. Pandy, sugary candy, all pop down. Pandy, sugary candy, all pop in. Pandy, sugary candy, all pop out. Very good. Okay, now let's take away the word sugary. So no Andy, no sugary. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if I can do it without making a mistake. Off we go. Pandy, candy, all pop up. Pandy, candy, pop down. Pandy, candy, all pop in. Pandy, candy, all pop out. Oh no, did you spot Mr. Kidman's mistake? I missed out some words in the middle. Okay, that's all right though, because guess what we're going to do this time? We're going to do it without any of the words. All the words are going to be in your thinking voice, in your head. Are you ready? Off we go. Well done, everybody. Amazing job. Our next song is a guessing game. And you are going to be guessing which one of my 4 friends is singing. To do that, we need to know what their voices sound like. So, here is Dragon. Dragon's voice is very slow. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? So when you hear a really slow voice, it could be Dragon. On the other hand, Leopard's voice is very fast. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? So if you hear somebody rushing fast, then it might be a leopard. Baby Penguin's voice is very low. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? So when you hear a low voice, it could be Baby Penguin. Sharky's voice is very high. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? So if you hear a very high voice, it's probably the shark. Okay, are you ready to play the game? It starts off with a little song like this. Who's the one that's singing? What noises are they bringing? High, low, fast, slow. Who's going to have a go? Are you listening? Hello, it's me. Who could I be? Who was that singing down here? That's right, it was our baby penguin with the low voice. Let's try another one. Who's the one that's singing? What noises are they bringing? Fast, slow, high, low. Who's going to have a go? Okay, listen carefully. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? Who was that singing down here? Who was it? That's right, it was the dragon with his slow voice. Okay, maybe you know the song at the beginning and you can sing it with me now. Who's the one that's singing? What noises are they bringing? Fast, slow, high, low. Who's going to have a go? Listening carefully. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? Who was it this time? That's right. It was a shark with his high singing voice. Okay, ready for the song one more time. Who's the one that's singing? What noises are they bringing? Fast, slow, high, low. Who's going to have a go? Listening carefully. Hello, it's me. Who could I be? A different voice again. Who was it? That's right, it was a leopard with his fast voice. Well done if you got them all. Okay everyone, we've got one more song to learn today, and this song has a dance that comes along with it. Let's learn it by my turn, then your turn. Ready? Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Won't you be my darling? Okay, those are most of the words that we need. And those words go along with some actions. So I'm just going to step back here a minute to give myself some room. And you heard in the song the words say bow. So everybody do a nice bow like this. That's it, very good. So the other thing we need to do is we need to take some steps. So we're going to take 3 steps and then a bow. Forward like this. Bow, 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 Belinda. And then 3 steps back. Bow, 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 Belinda. And then 3 steps forward again. Bow, 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 Belinda. And then for the last part, won't you be my darling? A little spin around. Okay, are you ready? Let's try that together. Make sure you got some space in front of you. And off we go. Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Won't you be my darling? Very good, everybody. Now let's try it again with my ukulele and a little bit faster. Ready, and off we go. Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Bow, 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 Belinda. Won't you be my darling? Very good, everyone. Now, the great thing about this song is we can add loads of different actions to it instead of bowing. So this time, we're going to do jumping. And you've got to try and do jumps forwards and then backwards and then forwards. And then I'll spin at the end. Ready, and off we go. Jump, 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 Belinda. Jump, 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 Belinda. Jump, 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 Belinda. Won't you be my darling? Well done. Okay, this time let's try a quiet one. Let's try tip, E, toe, Belinda. Ready, and off we go. Tip, E, toe, Belinda. Tip, E, toe, Belinda. Tip, E, toe, Belinda. Won't you be my darling? Amazing, well done. For our last one, I think we'll try bobbing. Bobbing our knees like that. Ready, and off we go. Bob, 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 Belinda, bob, 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 Belinda, bob, 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 Belinda, won't you be my darling? Well done, everybody. That's the end of our assembly for today. So, have fun singing the songs, and I'll see you next time.